Hello everyone. So guys, today I'm going to teach you something about grammar. Actually, I'm going to follow a grammar book. The name of the book is English Grammar in Use, written by Raymond Murphy. So I'll teach you unit by unit. So if you complete unit first, after completion of it, you can go for some exercises like practice sets so that you can check yourself whether you have good command or not. So here you can see the practice set. Then you can go for unit 2 like this, unit 3, unit 4. So today unit 1 only. So let's get started without any further ado. So here I'm just going to teach you what is written here, and I'm trying to make you understand about the situation. So the topic is present continuous. So present continuous means what? We have to understand this irrespective of any other language like Hindi, Punjabi, Madrasi. When you know, like some people from Hindi medium, they go for raha hai, rahi hai. It is not required, okay? Just learn English as English people learn. That's why this lecture is totally in English. So guys, see here it is written present continuous, and here one sentence is written I am doing. So what is present continuous? Study this example situation. Here it is written Sarah is in her car. Means there is a girl named Sarah. Let me show you like this. So look at here. There is a girl. Can you see this girl? So there is a girl. Her name is Sarah, and this girl is in the car. She is on her way to work. It means this girl is going somewhere. Where is she going? She is going to her office. She is driving to work. It means how she is going? She is not going on foot. She is driving to work. It means she is driving. So this means she is driving now at the time of speaking. The action is not finished. See what present continuous means. Present continuous means any action is started. Okay, suppose action is started this time. This time, let me change the color. Then you can understand in a proper way, I hope. See, this is the point action started, and this is the point when action will finish. But at this point, we can see that action is not finished. We don't know when action was started. We don't know when action is going to be finished. We simply know that action is going on. At this point, action is going on, and this point, action is going on, and this point, action is going on. It means if somebody suddenly comes here and if looks at this girl, the person can see that this girl is driving the car. The person doesn't know when this girl started driving the car. The person doesn't know when this girl will stop driving the car. It means whenever we can see at the time of speaking, when we can see that something is going on, action is going on, that is present continuous. So this is present continuous. Okay, it means the action is not finished. Something is going on, action is not finished, that is present continuous. This is the style of English people, irrespective of any raha rahi or whatever, like in any other language. Okay, so it is written here am, is, are plus ing is the present continuous. So whenever you see in present that something is going on, you have only three things. I am. If you have to say I, then of course you have to use am. If you have to use is, then you can use is with third person singular like he is, she is, it is, or any third person singular like Ram is, Mohan is, my brother is, that person is. And if you talk about plural, then of course you have to use are like you are, we are, they are, my friends are, my parents are, my brothers are, my sisters are, my sons are, your daughters are, like this. So this is present continuous. So here you can see it is written all those things like am can be connected with I, is with he, she, it, and are with we, you, the plural. And if you talk about the contraction, if you talk about the shortcut, so instead of saying I am, you can say I am. Instead of saying he is, she is, you can say his, she is, it's, like this. Instead of saying we are, you are, they are, you can say we are, you're there, like this. If you have to say they are going, you can say they're going. So they are going, they're going. We are going, we're going, like this. So now let's move further. Now see, here it is written I am doing something. means I started doing it and I haven't finished it. In the middle of doing it means I am in the middle of doing it. So whenever you say I am doing something means what? Like if you say I am eating something, if you say I am drinking something, if you say I am talking to someone, it means you have started doing but you haven't finished it. So when action is not finished, when action has been started but when you talk action is going on, it has not finished yet, it means that is present continuous. Simple. Don't think about any Hindi pehchan or any other pehchan. Anything, when you open your eyes and you see that something is going on, that is present continuous. Okay, so please don't make so much noise. Okay, there is a question, hey please don't make so much noise, I am trying to work. So here you have two options, either say I'm trying to work or you can say I try. So what option do you think is correct? You cannot say I try, you have to say I am trying. Why I am trying? Please don't make so much noise, don't make so much noise. I am trying to work. I'm trying to work means the action, the activity of trying is going on, means I am trying. I'm trying to do something, that trying is going on. So please don't make a noise, I'm trying to do something. You cannot say I try, you have to say I am trying. Like if a question is there, where is Mark? Okay, where is Mark? He is having a shower. So if somebody is asking me, I am in the room, okay, I am in the room, and if my wife comes and asks me, hey, where is Akshat? And if I know that Akshat is doing something at this time, then definitely I will use present continuous. I have to use ing. I will say Akshat is having a shower. I cannot say Akshat has a shower. I cannot say Akshat will have a shower. Right now somebody is asking me, where is Rohan, where is Ram, where is Sohan? So I can give the answer about the action being performed by Ram, Sohan or whoever. Okay, so where is Mark? He is having a shower. So we cannot say he has a shower, it will be wrong. Here I try will be wrong. Okay, let's go out now. Somebody saying, hey let's go out now. It's raining it's not raining anymore. So we cannot say it doesn't rain. Like earlier it was raining and right now it's not raining. I'm saying, hey let's go out because it's not raining. So I cannot say it doesn't rain, I have to say it's not raining. It means something is not going on, simply put not and put ing, it's not raining. Here there is a question, how is your new job? Somebody is asking, how is your new job? Are you enjoying it? Are you enjoying it? So this is the way to ask questions without thinking about raha rahi. As per the situation you can use present continuous. Okay, suddenly you are asking somebody else, hey so how is your new job, are you enjoying? You cannot say do you enjoy, means you just really want to know whether the person is enjoying or not, whether that enjoying action is going on or not. If you want to know that, then definitely present continuous is required. What's all that noise, what's going on? Okay, what's happening? So if there is a noise outside and you have to ask someone, then definitely you will ask, hey what is going on there, why are they making a noise like this? So sometimes the action is not happening at the time of speaking, for example. So like with the above examples you have learned whatever is happening at the time of speaking, that is present continuous. At the time of speaking means in front of your eyes, right now happening. You are standing, you can see something is happening, something is going on, somebody is going, somebody is dancing, somebody is crying, somebody is abusing you. But sometimes it happens that something is happening but it is not happening at the time of speaking, then that is also present continuous. Like Steve is talking to a friend on the phone, he says. Here there is a guy, his name is Steve, and he is talking to someone on phone and he's saying, hey I am reading a really good book at the moment. At the moment means currently. It's about a man who dash dash dash, he's saying. So he's saying that I am reading a book these days. So I'm reading a book these days doesn't mean that I'm reading a book right now. So something is going on but it is not going on at the time of speaking. It is not going on exactly right now. However, it is going on these days. In that scenario also we can use present continuous. So there are two situations. You have learned two situations. First, something is going on right now, that is also present continuous. Second situation, something is going on but it is not going on right now, however it is happening, that is also present continuous. You can say that I'm learning English. So right now you are sitting and eating, but you are saying I'm learning English. It shows that you are not learning English right now, but these days you are learning English. These days you are going to take the classes. Okay. So Steve says I am reading, but he is not reading the book at the time of speaking. It means he is saying I'm reading, but right now he is not reading. He means that he has started reading the book but has not finished it yet. It means reading of book has been started by Steve. He has not finished yet. When the action is still in the middle of that, so he can say that yes, I am reading a book, I am learning English. You know, he is in the middle of reading it. Middle of reading it. You're middle of that work. You have not even completed. That is present continuous. Okay. Some more examples. See, Kate wants to work in Italy, so he is learning Italian. Okay, but perhaps she isn't. But perhaps she isn't learning Italian at the time of speaking. It means there is a guy, there is a person named Kate. Kate wants to work in Italy, so he is learning Italian. So if somebody is coming to you and saying, "Hey, I'm learning Italian," but he is right now sitting in front of you, he is talking to you, he is taking food and saying I'm learning Italian, it means learning process of Italian is not happening right now, however it is going on. It means he has started the process of learning Italian, but it is not happening in front of your eyes. In this situation also you can use present continuous. Simple. So you got two situations. If something is happening exactly right now, that is also present continuous, and the second is something is happening but it is not happening right now, however it is happening these days because the process has been started. You are in the middle of that process. That is present continuous. Don't think about raharai. See, some friends of mine are building their own house. They hope to finish it next summer. So they have not finished it. Some friends of mine are building their own house, means building process is going on. Okay, so they are making. You can use the present continuous with today, this week, this year, etc. Means you can use these words. You can use today, you can use this week, you can use this year. Means periods around now. Like you are working hard today, means at the end of the sentence you can use today. Like today I'm going to market. Today today she is coming to me, like this. Okay. Yes, I have a lot to do. The company I work for isn't doing so well this year. So the company is not doing this year well, so you are putting this year at the last and saying, means if you are saying that the company I work for isn't doing so well this year, means this year, suppose this is 2021 and your company is not doing well, so you can use this year, you can use this week with your sentence to make the people understand that okay, this is happening this year, the entire year this is happening, this is going on entire year, like this. We use present continuous when we talk about a change that has started to happen. So you can also use present continuous to talk about the change that has started to happen. We often use these verbs in this way. Like you can say getting, means if you can see that any kind of change is going on, so you can use these words like getting, becoming, changing, improving, starting, beginning, increasing, rising, falling, growing. You can use these words in order to show the change. Once again I'm going to repeat, present continuous, we use present continuous when we talk about a change that has started to happen. If any change has started to happen, that is also present continuous. Like, is your English getting better? It means something is getting better, means it has started, means getting better process has been started. So you can use this word getting better, like my English is getting better, his condition is getting better. So not does your English get better. You cannot ask someone, hey, does your English get better? You have to ask, is your English getting better? Because you want to know whether the change in situation has started or not. The population of the world is increasing very fast. If something is happening, the change has started happening, so you have to use present continuous. So something is increasing, that is present continuous. You cannot say that it increases, you have to say it is increasing. At first I didn't like my job, but I am starting to enjoy it now, means now you have started enjoying. So you can say that I am starting to enjoy. I am starting means I am starting this process Which process? To enjoy it, not I start. Fine guys, now you can see here we have exercises to do. 1.1, it is written what's happening in the pictures, choose from these verbs. So we have some verbs given like cross, hide, scratch, take has already been taken, tie and wave. And you can see some picture, like in number one picture you can see there is a girl, and this girl has a camera in her hand. You can see the camera in her hand. Now what is she doing? You have to see the picture and make a sentence. So it has already been given there, like she is taking a picture. Like this we have to make some sentences. If we talk about picture number second, we can see there is a guy, okay, and this guy is doing something here. So what is he doing? He dash a shoelace. So for shoelace, which verb should be used? Tie, wave, scratch, hide or cross? Of course tie. So this guy, yani ki he is, you can say he is, you can write here, he is tying a shoelace. Tying is very tough to write. He's tying a shoelace. Okay. Number third, you can see some people, and you can see they are on zebra crossing. It means they are crossing. Definitely they are crossing. So you can use here ki they are crossing the road. They are crossing the road. Okay. And here it is number fourth. You can see this number fourth picture. Here there is a guy, and this guy is doing something on his head. It means he is scratching. So you can write he is scratching his head. On number fifth, you can see there is a girl and she is behind the trees. It means she is hiding. There is a word hide. You can write she is hiding behind a tree. In number 6, you can see there are two people and they are waving their hands. So there is a word wave. So you can see like they are waving to somebody. Next, see it is written the sentences on the right follow those on the left. Here you can see some sentences, and now you have to match these sentences to these sentences which are on left. Which sentence goes with which? So you have to think whether the first sentence goes with any one of these or not. So if you talk about first one, like please don't make so much noise. Okay, so what is the which is the sentence which is going to match? So it is already written here that number F is going to match the first one. F is what? I am trying to work. It means please don't make so much noise, I am trying to work. Yeah, it is matching. I am trying to work, so please don't make so much noise. So number 1 matches F. So we have written here F. What about number 2? We need to leave soon. We need to leave soon. Okay, so which is going to match? We need to leave soon means what? I am getting hungry? No. They are lying? No. It's starting to rain? No. We need to leave soon. They are trying to sell it? No. It's getting late. Yeah, it's getting late. E is going to match with this. We need to leave soon. So number second is E. So you can put here E. So E has the match with number second. Now third, I don't have anywhere to live right now. I don't have anywhere to live right now means there is no place. So I'm getting hungry? No. They are lying? No. It's starting to rain? No. They are trying to sell it? I don't have anywhere to live right now. They are trying to sell it? No. It's getting late? No. I'm staying with friends? Maybe G. It could be. I don't have anywhere to live right now, so I'm staying with friends. Yeah, G. So 3 matches G. Okay. Now what about 4? So we have completed 2, 3. Now 4. I need to eat something soon. I am getting hungry. Yes, A. So number 4 matches A. Got it? Like this you have to solve it. What about 5? They don't need their car anymore. They don't need their car anymore. Number 5th. It's getting late. No, they are trying. Oh, they are trying to sell it. D. Number 5th. D. Okay. Number 6. Things are not so good at work. Things are not so good. The company is losing money. I'm staying with friends. I think the company is losing money. Things are not good at work means company is losing money. Yeah. Number 6th, H. Okay. What about number 7? It isn't true what they say. Isn't true means they are lying. So number 7B. Got it? We are going to get wet. Get wet means raining. It's starting to rain, means C. Number 8 means C. So see, I have completed this also. Now let's go for this one. Write questions. Use the present continuous. So I think you guys can do it, guys. I'm giving you this as a homework. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. I'm giving you this as a homework. Okay, can you take the screenshot of it? Screenshot. Take. Now this much. Okay guys, so you the guys can do it. Now if you want, you can take the screenshot like this. Okay, this 14 questions and these 8 questions. Fine guys, so thank you very much. I believe you must have liked it. So it was your unit first. We have completed, guys. So see you in unit second, guys. Thank you very much everyone.